A very good evening, everyone. This is Namrata, your Bagdara Farms consultant. I am live with all of you today, and the topic for today's live is this topic is especially for women because this infection, which I'm going to be talking about, happens in women, right? So, today the topic is gonorrhea and chlamydia. These are gonorrhea and chlamydia in women, is what I'm going to be talking to you about. What is gonorrhea and chlamydia? These are sexually transmitted bacterial infections, right? These are infections which are caused due to sexual transmission, right? So if left untreated, this problem can lead to various other complications in the human body, in the women's body, including infertility. Now chlamydia is most common in young women. This is also chlamydia is also kind of a bacterial infection, which is sexually transmitted bacterial infection, and this kind of is more prevalent in younger women. Now it usually targets the moist areas of the body. Yeah, so both these infections, both these bacterial infections, they target the moist areas of the body, like the urethra. Urethra is the tube that drains out the urine from the bladder, your eyes, throat, vagina, and the female reproductive system. So it usually targets, like I said, the moist areas of your body, and these are the moist areas which I listed out. Now, what are the symptoms of these bacterial infections? What are the symptoms of these sexually transmitted bacterial infections like gonorrhea and chlamydia? They are painful urination, abnormal vaginal discharge, pain in lower stomach as well pain in the back area, fever, frequent urge to urinate, painful menstruation, irregular menstruation, pus, and you can say pain during sexual intercourse, right? So these are the various symptoms that are there, which accompanied if somebody has these kind of bacterial infections like gonorrhea or chlamydia, right? Now, symptoms usually occur 2 to 14 days after exposure. After you've been exposed to any kind of, bacteria, any kind of virus, it takes 2 to 14 days after exposures for symptoms to occur. Whereas sometimes symptoms cannot be noticeable also. You might be having the infection, but it is not necessary that the symptoms might be visible. And it is contagious. That means it can spread to another person even if you are asymptomatic, even if your symptoms are not shown, even if you have not, but there is infection in your body, it can spread to other and to another person. That's why they say it is highly contagious, right? It mostly appears as vaginal yeast or bacterial infection. So whenever it starts, it will appear as a vaginal infection, as a yeast infection, as a yeast bacterial infection, right? Now, there are complications of gonorrhea and chlamydia. If left untreated, any problem can lead to, it can advance to another problem. It can cause other complications in the human system. What complications happens because of gonorrhea and chlamydia in women is number one, blocking or scarring of fallopian tubes, which can lead to infertility or can lead to ectopic pregnancy. So that means blocking or scarring of the fallopian tubes. Next is it affects the reproductive tract, the uterus, the ovaries, known as PID, that is pelvic inflammatory disease, right? When it spreads to the bloodstream, it can lead to arthritis, can lead to heart wall damage, inflammation in the brain, spinal cord. It is rare, but serious conditions like this can develop if gonorrhea and chlamydia is left untreated. Like always, today also I'm here to tell you that yes, at Bagdara Farms we have a supplement which can help you with taking care of problems of gonorrhea and chlamydia, which can help combat these sexually transmitted bacterial infections, which, if left untreated, can lead to other complications in the human body, which I listed out. Most importantly, it can lead to infertility in women. Now, here at Bagdara Farms, we have a supplement by the name Felextron A. Felextron A is an organic supplement made out of curcumin. Now, curcumin is a phytochemical which is found in turmeric. Now, everybody would be thinking, it's turmeric, haldi hai, basic turmeric. Yes, it is turmeric, but there is a big difference when it is taken for medicinal purpose. This curcumin percentage has to be in high percentage, in high content for it to be potent enough to show results for prevention and treatment of any kind of ailment. Curcumin is a component which has medicinal and pharmacological properties. These pharmacological properties can be in various names, like it is an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, antiviral, antimicrobial, and so on. So the pharmacological properties will only be effective in your body if the curcumin content is high, and that is high in our products. And the curcumin content in our products is between 11 to 19%. To treat problems of gonorrhea or chlamydia, or to take preventive measures, you should go on our website and see the product Felextron A. The name is flashing on the screens, right? This one bottle of Felextron has 60 grams of powder. It is a course for 20 days. For any problem, we recommend a minimum course of 40 days to 2 months, because it takes that much time for organic supplements to show results on your body. Now, why Felextron A? It is an antimicrobial agent. That means it has wound healing activities, right? It clears any kind of sepsis which is there. It is antiviral agent against HPV, HIV, influenza, herpes simplex, or all of these virus which are there. It has antifungal agent. It is an antifungal agent. That means against Candida species, Trichophyton species, and so on. It is anti-cancerous. That means it deactivates the bacteria from attaching to the muscular membrane. Now, the mucosal membrane, which otherwise can cause inflammatory responses and lead to cancer, right? So, it has anti-cancerous property. That means it deactivates the bacteria from attaching to the mucosal membrane. Then it combats drug-resistant gonorrhea. It curcumin down-regulates the inflammatory process initiated by the microbes. Curcumin prevents progression of infection to cervical cancer due to its antiviral agent, right? Curcumin क्या करता है? It prevents that this infection should not lead to cervical cancer. उससे भी, because of its antiviral effect, also it controls that. It has immune regulating properties which builds defense against infections. Most importantly is that our immune system needs to be strong. If our immune system is strong, our body is strong enough to fight any kind of infection, any kind of ailment, any inflammatory response that is there in the body, right? Curcumin is the best form of best immunomodulatory agent, which helps in boosting your immunity, which helps in making your immunity robust, so that your body, even if has to fight an infection or an ailment or disease, or the viral or bacterial load in your body increases, this component, which will be boosting your immunity, will help you fight all of these problems in a much better manner, right? All details about this product are given on our website, which is the link on the web of the website is on flashing on your screen. It is www.bagdarafarms.com. You can visit our website, and on the website in the our product section, you can view about Felextron A. All details are given there all information is given there in detail. But just in case you still have any more information that you need from us, you can give us a call on our number, that is 9560254646. The number is flashing on your screens. I repeat, our number is 9560254646. You can call, message, or WhatsApp us on this number. We are a team of consultants available on call, message, and WhatsApp to address your queries, to listen to your problems, and to give you the best solution for your problems with our supplements here. We are, for more details, you can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and LinkedIn as Bagdara Farms. You can visit any of these places, write your queries there, write your comments in all any of these places, and we will be more than happy to address that for you. The numbers which is flashing on your screen, that is 9560254646. You can call us here, or you can just drop your details. We give free consultation for any kind of problems you have. We have 44 plus products for prevention and treatment of various ailments, from boosting immunity to for cooking purpose, for diabetes, thyroid, and so on. We have products which are even there for treatment and prevention of cancer. We on our website, which is www.bagdarafarms.com, you can scroll down on the website. We have a certification section to show that we are certified by USA, FDA, and FSSAI. We also have a lab report that shows that the curcumin percentage in our products is between 11 to 19%. Please understand, if the curcumin is high, the product is effective then. And that is the reason it has, lot of our products are 100% organic, non-GMO, chemical free, and a lot of hard work goes into the cultivation of Bagdara turmeric, right? And that desired curcumin percentage is how these products are effective for prevention and treatment of various ailments. With that, I come to the end of this live session. If you think anybody can benefit from this video, do share with them, do like it if you thought the information provided was helpful for you. Or you can just visit our website and write any queries you have there. We will be more than happy to address the same. Thank you so much, everyone. Enjoy your evening. I'll see you all again soon. Thank you.